Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how Equifax protects against identity theft. Equifax, one of the three major credit bureaus, provides a number of services to help protect against identity theft. These services range from proactive tools to help prevent fraud to assistance if you become a victim. One of the most powerful tools is the ability to place a security freeze on your credit report. A security freeze restricts access to your credit file, making it much harder for a thief to open new credit accounts in your name. You can also place a fraud alert on your file, which encourages lenders to take extra steps to verify your identity before extending credit. Equifax also offers credit monitoring services, which alert you to suspicious activity, such as new accounts being opened or changes to your personal information. This can provide an early warning sign that your identity may have been compromised. They also scan the dark web for your personal information, like social security numbers or bank accounts, and notify you if they find anything. For those who are victims of identity theft, Equifax offers identity restoration services. Specialists work on your behalf to help you recover from the theft. Many of their paid services also include identity theft insurance to cover certain expenses you might incur while recovering. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.